Meet the Ascent. Designed to grow with your child and fit seamlessly into your life every step of the way. The Ascent's 3-in-1 design transitions effortlessly from a high chair to a low chair and finally to a booster, adapting to your child's every stage. Featuring an anti-slip foot design and a secure 5-point harness to keep your little one protected. Mealtime made effortless. With a soft-touch seat pad and a removable washable tray, cleanup has never been simpler. Its sleek, modern design blends beautifully into any dining space while fitting most tables with ease. Lightweight, collapsible, and portable for wherever life takes you. The Ascent 3-in-1 high chair from Baby Delight. Nothing brings you closer to your baby.